My name is James White, and I'm Vice President of Business Development at Wellmaster and second generation ownership. Wellmaster is a producer and distributor of inputs to the water, energy, and horticultural sectors. We provide products that are critical inputs into conveying clean water, distribution of energy, and agriculture and horticultural production across North America. Make a difference is a really big part of Wellmaster. It's our purpose statement, and it's an aspiration to make sure that our business and our business strategy serves all of our stakeholders. Everything from family ownership to our team, our employees, to our customers, suppliers, and our community, both local and global. Manufacturing in Ontario matters for two key reasons. First, manufacturing capacity in Ontario is key to guaranteeing water, food, energy, and infrastructure security. Infrastructure from healthcare infrastructure to roads and bridges. It's how, and having that capacity to make things in Ontario is how we guarantee that, even in times when supply chains have been disrupted. Second part of Ontario manufacturing is the good family-sustaining jobs that are available in manufacturing and the economic activity that we generate that are critical to ensuring that the frontline services that governments provide are affordable and can be sustained in the future. Wellmaster's been involved in CME for decades. More recently, I've been a member of the Ontario Advisory Board and have recently been appointed the chair of the Ontario Advisory Board. There are a number of different opportunities to network with other companies in our local area, but what's unique about Canadian manufacturers and exporters, it's an opportunity to both network with companies of all sizes, from the largest corporate groups in our country to some of the smallest community SME manufacturers. And it gives us a chance to work together to give manufacturing a voice and to build rapport while doing so. Canadian manufacturers and exporters have helped us quite a bit, everything from accessing government grants to procure new equipment, to understanding changing government regulations, and adopting some of the best practices from manufacturers of all size in Canada so that we can respond to challenges like the pandemic, like the need to modernize practices, like wanting to evolve into a net zero economy. The one word that I would use to describe our experience, or my experience with CME, is productive. As an owner-operator of a small, medium-sized enterprise, I need to make sure I'm getting the maximum return for all of my time. And when I invest time in CME, I get a return, whether it be being able to find a better way to procure new equipment, to find new processes, to better understand government regulations, requirements, and programs. Manufacturing exporters is unique in the sense that it gives all manufacturing, large corporations to small community manufacturers, a chance to understand government requirements, government regulations, and challenges in the industry by working together. But more than that, it gives us a chance to shape them. It gives us a chance to have a voice in manufacturing in Ontario, to change policies and to move how trends go forward and how manufacturing can lead society's response to major challenges like climate change and the need to modernize manufacturing in Canada.